So we're going to talk about the peristaltic pump on the VI. If I squeeze either side, it comes straight off. This is fantastic as we don't have to change squeeze tubes individually. We replace that whole unit, makes it very easy. Just clicks back in. Done and dusted. I'm going to take it off and just show you here. Very easy screw on and screw off hoses if we need to replace hoses. Squeeze tubes and hoses obviously need to be replaced from time to time. It's very easy to do with this unit. When you're setting this unit up, we give you the injection T-piece made specifically for this unit, has our fittings in it. We also give you the caps, the feeder tubes, and then what we need you to do is to add this breather tube. This breather tube is connected and it takes all the fumes to outside of this pump shed. You don't want acid fumes getting anywhere near your chlorinator, your pump, or your heat pump. So we've got the acid sorted out. Obviously showed you how to work the peristaltic pump. Clicks in. We've got the T-piece plumbed in. We've got our cell plumbed in. We want to plug in our cell, the Deutschplug. I want to hear that click. Clicked in nicely. Then we've obviously got probes in the cell. Make sure the probes are right in. We don't want them sitting up like that. We want them sitting nice, down, flush and firm. Then do them up nice and tight. Your probes are in. Your probes then, your pH, which is blue, and your ORP, which is green. Comes in. ORP in there. Push up and turn. It's in. There we go. And your pH. Push up and turn, and it's in. Make sure they turn in and lock in. Nice little fitting. Shouldn't get any moving or chattering there. Now we've got our probes plugged in, we've got our chlorinator plugged in. I want to plug the two data connections in right now. We've got the InTouch portal. We can put that into a data connection. There's two data points in the bottom of the chlorinator. We can use either one. This particular cable has chlorinator end only. So that's your communication cable from the pump to the chlorinator. Chlorinator end only, obviously, that's what's going to go into the chlorinator. Got our two data points in now. Next thing we can plug in is our pump. Pump goes into the first GPO, clicks in nicely, no chance of falling out. So we've got three parts to go on this particular installation. We have a heat pump on it, as I said earlier. So we're using a temperature sensor. We've plumbed it into the line, so it's a water temperature sensor. Now, the great thing about the temperature sensing is it gives us the ability to turn the heat pump on and off and change temperatures through the app because we've got the InTouch portal in place. The other option we've got here is using an actuator. Now, we plug the actuator in. We've got two ports for temperature sensing, one for air and one for water, and we've got 3 ports for actuators. So we can use 3 motorized ready, set, go actuator valves. The last option we've got is using an extra GPO for lights. So we're going to plug the lights into the number 2 outlet, and we've got the ability to turn the lights on and off using an independent timer. We can do that on the screen, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment.